Welcome to online classes. I am here for the explanation in second recording. Before that, I will refer some sentences as a continuation. He insisted on carrying my traps along the passage and then up a great winding stair and along another great passage on whose stone floor our steps rang heavily. At the end of this, he threw open a heavy door, and I rejoiced to see within a well-lit room in which a table was spread for supper, and on whose mighty hearth a great fire of logs freshly replenished, framed and flared. Now start the explanation in the second recording. The Count halted, putting down my bags, closed the door, and crossing the room opened another door which led into a small octagonal room lit by a single lamp and seemingly without a windows of any sort. Octagonal room means it is 8 side wall is there. Generally we are living in 4 side, 4 wall is there, but here is octagonal means 8 walls are there. Now start explanation. The Count stopped putting down the narrator's bag, then he crossed the door, and crossing the room he opened another room which was octagonal, and that room lighted by a single lamp, and it was apparently without any window. Explanation 2. The Count stalled and putting down the narrator's bag, closed the door. After crossing the room, he opened another door and accessed to a small octagonal room. That room gleamed by a single lamp, and the room was evidently without any sort of window. Explanation 3. The Count seized and putting the narrator's personal belonging, closed the door, and after crossing the room, he opened another door and guided to a small octagonal room. That room was glowed by a single lamp, and the room was outwardly without any sort of windows. Then from book, passing through this, he opened another door and motioned me to enter a great bedroom, well lighted and warmed with another log fire. Explanation 1. Passing through the octagonal room, Count opened another room and requested the narrator to invade a bedroom that was brightly lit room and warmed with another fireplace used by log to make fire. Explanation 2. Crossing through the octagonal room, Count opened another room and told the narrator to come into a large bedroom. That room was well illuminated room and warmed with another fireplace used by log to make the proper flame. Explanation 3. After passing through the octagonal room, Count opened another room and insisted the narrator to move into very big bedroom which was well illuminated and warmed with another log fired fireplace. Then from the book, the Count himself left my luggage inside and withdrew, saying, "When you are ready, come into the other room." where you will find your supper prepared. Explanation 1. The Count himself carried the narrator's luggage inside the huge bedroom and departed, and asking the narrator when he was ready, he came into the other room. There he would find his supper prepared. Explanation 2. The Count himself carried the luggage of narrator and dropped it inside the huge bedroom, and he departed and asked the narrator when he was prepared himself, then he should enter into the other room. There he would notice his supper prepared and placed on the dining table. Explanation 3. The Count himself transferred the luggage of narrator to the large bedroom and left the room. Before leaving the room, he wanted to know when he was organized himself, and he commented to narrator that he came into the other room where his supper prepared and ready on the dining table. That is the end of this lecture.